Welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today we've got an evening yoga class to wind down from your day. You may want to use a pillow to get a bit comfortable. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So we start off with closing our eyes. If that feels comfortable, just bring in one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, allowing your breath to flow all the way to your belly. Breathing is really important, helps to nourish our organs, relaxes our body and mind, ready to wind down from our day. So just breathing in deeply, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly. And breathing out, you can relax your hands on your lap. And as you breathe in, just saying to yourself, I allow myself to let go. I allow myself to rest. And as you breathe out, letting go of any tension, any tightness. Breathing in, allow myself to rest and let go. Breathing in and breathing out any tension and tightness. Just feeling yourself letting go, dropping your shoulders, feeling becoming more relaxed, winding down from your day, and then opening your eyes, and then coming onto the floor, lying down on the mat, placing hands beside you. Now we're going to gently lift the spine, not completely, just feel it gently lifting and pressing down into the mat. Feeling lifting just gently and then pressing down into the mat. One more time, lifting just gently and pushing down into the mat. One more time, gently lifting as you breathe in, dropping as you breathe out. And then bringing the opposite foot onto the opposite knee, and then bringing it towards you. You can take your hands on the thigh or on the shin, just bringing it towards you, feeling a lovely stretch on the hip and the lower back. Might want to do some circles with the foot, one way and then the other way, and then bringing the foot forward and back, stretching those toes. Sometimes they get neglected. And then placing the foot back onto the mat, and then just taking your arms out and coming into a twist. Just feeling a lovely stretch on your hip. Deep breaths here, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly. Really can help you wind down from the day. And then now bringing your head and leg to the center. Let's do the other side. Bringing the foot onto the opposite knee, hand behind the thigh or on the shin, pulling it towards you, doing some circles with the foot one way and then the other way, going back and forward, really stretching the foot and the toes, and then placing the foot on the mat arms out. Let's come into a twist. Head goes one direction, legs in the other. Just taking a few deep breaths here and relaxing into it. And then coming to the center, placing both feet on the mat. And then taking your knees into the chest, giving yourself a hug. And then you can place your hands behind your knees, your calves, even bring them to your feet. This is called Happy Baby. Really does open up the hips and the legs, especially if you've been seated all day or even standing really. Just, you might want to take one leg straight, the other leg straight. Just feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your legs, your hamstrings. And then bringing the feet down, bringing them together. Just taking a breath here. You can place your hands on your belly or at the side. Really just relaxing, winding down from your day. Just breathing deeply here. Now you can straighten your legs, one leg and then the other. I'm going to leave you here to just relax. Get ready for bed. Wishing you a wonderful evening. And a wonderful night's rest. I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.